Yes, so my other people. Now good evening, man. So make I come allow now small. I see they go. Good evening. So make I allow now small. I greet you now. Good evening, man. Yeah. For this 21st century, some people they say they're not going to fit job for abroad. Men. Some say that they do business, they not get paper. Some say that they do business. As so bleachy things, now that they bleach. Yeah. My other people. I wanna share this video. Those will go still later watch them. Cause I see one of my other brother today. I see what he post. Concerning DNA. I laugh. I ask myself, is this guy really normal? I ask myself, is this guy really okay? You say you be fine boy, you be picking way fresh. I not that you. If your body fresh, your pocket not fresh, na rubbish. Your pocket supposed to fresh. It depend me say, all those saga una they do so, una children go grow, they go come meet town. Una also now don't delete everything. Last. Facebook go they remember una. YouTube they go remind una. Or children will be say them just they call life. They never even know what they call FB. They never even know what they call Instagram. They never even know anything. But now just they cause problem, they wait them. Now they cause big problem, they wait them. What of tomorrow? Coincidence, your picking with the other one picking. They can't they fall in love tomorrow. Wait till you want to talk. How you want to swallow your shame and pride. My Edo people, I want to leave this message for now. Anything they do today, they wait for us for front. More we try, more they use sense till they do things. More we try, more they use brain till they do things. See some people now, they just shout you small. I don't understand though. You will say you be fresh boy. You get wife for house. Your wife not even fit tell you say, babe, try make you hide us. Rest for this saga. Rest for this problem. May not can go generate another thing. You dey country. You dey make problem. Paper never even enter your hand. Nothing don't even enter your hand. And you dey make biggie. So my brothers and sisters, everything they do for life, more they use brain on. More they use brain. Because now we don't know what thing will become tomorrow. The energy we will take the fight each other for social media. If we use and take face our root cause. If we use and take face our root cause, things go change. Waiting be our root cause, now our politicians, that be our problem. But our own, we dey fight ourselves individual. Some go call this one, he not get womb. Some go call this one, not being get picking. Some go call this one, that one. Why we not join hands together to fight our problem? Now, everything. Thank God I never follow them the mail. No one even they call me. Because some of them now, also record now, then they record themselves. In case they wouldn't go quarrel, may they go see record play. Everywhere good do, but I want to let you know, see, everything now they sow now, now go come later reaper for front. Everything now they sow, now go later reaper for front. More than nothing say, I get 5,000 views, I get 2,000 views, I get 3,000 views. My brother, before you know, those views go expire. Social media is for fake life. Social media is for fake life. Some people now, they go shit, they'll put on for Facebook. They go piss, they'll put on for Facebook. They will carry one trip of sand, they'll come put on for Facebook. They will mow 2 blocks, they'll come put on for Facebook. You understand? So I'm not saying maybe people not happy, but it gets some kind of certain things when we need to they avoid. Because this fight, one of the fight, so they give bad image to Edo people. And those things go come later affect those children. Last. Those things one they do, so you come later affect those children last. How can a woman go come out for live video? Go they talk, say, a boyfriend go sit down. Go they talk, say, my husband not go fit be salary henna. He not go fit be salary henna. He not go fit work follow anybody. But the money where the rest people they work, tax where the rest people they pay. Now they tell they pay you as a single mother. Now they tell they pay you as a single mother. Now they tell they pay you as a single mother. Your boyfriend sit down. Never even get people for country. For you to the agility and say, only go and look for job and work. Go and look for work. But you say your husband not feel receive 1, 2. Not feel receive 1. Now some of you now they use boys say they lazy for Europe now. Tomorrow night the boy now. Okay, the boy call ya man. Oh we Eric ya dojia. Although you making single mother. Although you making your nonna. He can't use me turn to single mother. He can't use me turn to like this. But you come to live video to tell the public that your husband cannot work for white man. He cannot receive salary. And I never see the business where no get they do. Sorry to say, I need to measure your name. I never see the business. May you let us know the business. Maybe we go see the patronize them. May no get let us know the business when they do. We go see patronize them. As long as the wife talk, say, the husband, the boyfriend not be husband, never marry him. Because even though woman born dread for you, you never marry him. Now boyfriend and girlfriend. He say not go feel work. Okay. For me, the thing touch me. Because why? Money where Jama they give you as a single mother now. Now people now they work them at the end of the month. Now people now they work that money, they pay tax. Wait until they give you that money every month as a single mother. Inside now you come buy jeans, give a no give. Inside now you come buy glass, come buy t-shirt, come buy boxers, give them. Now inside that money. But now you they let the world know, say those way they work they pay tax. They be fool. Say them be fool. You understand? I never see the business where no get they do. I never see the fabric where company where put for down. Where be say people they work for there. If they get money for there at the end of the month. If they do like this. If now Nigeria for they do am we not day. If now online apart from this saga Facebook, maybe YouTube pay or Facebook pay. Who's another area we be saying for the game? You know day. You know be guy where they run things. You know be guy where they work out for street. Now just normal guy where be say the day has 24 hours. You understand? Sister, my sister, they not good, make man just sit down for his house 24 hours. If you want to change pampers, who will the pampers him ever? If If you want to do like this, you're not married. No. Tell your man to go and work. Tell your man to go and work. Doesn't may leave this saga. May leave this problem. You understand? People when saying they fight for, they don't make their money. They don't make their money. They don't make their money. So all those ones where you say they can't do that, my brother in Europe you can't hustle your money. All those men where they fight for now, they don't hustle their money. Who use my climb, use my climb. Who use any other way to climb, they use and climb. You understand? So I beg, this saga we know they do so. It go later can affect to our children. You understand? For example, now my own pikin see any of una daughter now say one marry I no go gree. Or my own daughter see any of una son say one marry me I no go gree. Because the kind character una don't fair possess, una don't still pass out to our children. Yes, una don't still pass out to our children. So I want to advise all Edo people. More will try, more do legacy down. Una they celebrate followers. 85,000 followers, 60,000 followers, 300,000 followers. Who see part now don't use that to help people? Who see parts? Now let's saga now na do they do saga. Not be say una join us together. Una so ke mo te do better thing for Edo. E no dey. Mo say na team A they do this one, na team B they do this one. E no dey. Saga. Hey. So I say make I just can't let una know say nobody, because this thing don't do too much. It don't do too much. Juju don't come. Pikin matter don't come. Pikin where they never born don't come. As in I dey imagine if these people they not get mama, they not get family for house, they not get wife, not get mama. He wife wey say he get belena. He wife not get mama. He not get brother, not get sister. Eh? They not go fit advise Sam say, wetin you dey do now, my daughter, e not good. Tell this man make he enter house. E not dey. E not dey. Some people go get belle. You not go know the time they take get belly, you don't know the time they take born. Children where they call life, you can't use that they play gamble for streets. Because you not even send the children. Waiting you send. You know if you buy pampers now. You if you buy baby milk. If they say me you hustle, me you trade picking. You know go fit now. You know go fit. You know go fit. Why you not why your woman not go born her for Italy? Me know it be life. Or make when she go born her for Maya. Me know it be gbege. Eh? Una just come based on say Jama do me well. Then they give us money, then they do like this. And I go fit work. And I go fit do like this. I be this. My brother. People don't fit do all those things pass. Not be today. Oh. My brothers and sisters, I'm gonna share this video. When I go even fit cut am, I cut am. I beg. Because the thing they vex me. As they call they bully those children for social media. They call they bully them. They call they bully those children. You yourself don't want to hide those children. You don't want to hide them. You don't want to hide them. My brother, you they sick. Oh. I have to tell you the truth and no get you they sick. You they sick. You they sick. You need medical attention. You need medical attention. They need to check your brain. They need to check your brain because I know imagine say a guy man way saying guy man way guy. You need to know when to do something and when to stop. You understand? Because I can't say and now say whether they bully you, they bully your wife, I don't fucking care. But those children, this one will come out, it go bring your children. The other one will come out, it go bring your children. Witches and wizards, everybody. They don't know, say, your wife, like this, like this, children like this, like this. My brother, I beg you in the name of God. I beg you in the name of God, my brother. Enter your house. Go find work. Go find work. Go find work. My brother, listen. See, if you go work 8 o'clock in the morning or 6 o'clock in the morning, you can't come back around 2, 3. You can't bath, chop. The next thing will go happen to you now sleep. The next thing will go happen to you now sleep. Maybe you can go wake up around 6, 7. And you know, say the next morning, 4 o'clock, you don't still wake up, bath, dress. I beg when I try to share this video, I beg. This is on my new Facebook, I beg. So, you tomorrow morning, you know, say you don't still wake up, you'll still go work. You'll still go work. You don't go get time. You don't go get time. Okay, Eddie Murphy now where you take follow the fight now. That one I don't walk. He don't put ballet for pocket. Whether he walk tomorrow, he not walk tomorrow, he not get paper where he want renew. He not get paper where he want build. You understand? You now, you are trying to build your own. You are trying to even get the paper, can't build that. Before you can't do all those 8 years, 7 years go can't come. And now you are creating problem for that, for those children. Tomorrow now, the Murphy with your children now come see, they'll call the fight. They'll call the fight. And this your wife, now not even they feed the, you know even feed the advice you no gay. You know even feed the advice you. Your wife come out for live video. You know say they cut that video, if they cut that video where your wife talking, they go show her to police. They don't go give, they go show her to social. Social not go give her money again. Oh. Social not go give your wife money again. Because that word where your wife talk now very, very expensive. Say my husband, that is you get husband. Your husband they Germany here. Now will they take care of you? You understand? Your husband, he not go feel work, receive 1, 2. Do like this. That is he not go pay tax for the country. When una go don't hold, but question when I they ask many Edo people, this one they do so. If una can't dey 60 years, 65 years, how una want can't they feed? Una not work, una not pay for a daily home. Una children money 18 years it go expire. 18 years una picking money go expire. Now these children money now, una not they save them. Una not many of una not they save that money. The money go just come. Una don't use it tierra. Una not they save those children money. Not be say that joke. Some family day, as soon as they give the money for them for a month, that money they'll go save them for account for the children until when they complete 18 years. But our some of our people for Germany, they're not there like that. The money go just come out tierra. The money go come out tierra. The money will come out tierra. They'll go use the money to go buy trousers, buy jeans. Come they do saga for Facebook. They'll come they do saga. I be fine boy. I be fine boy. I be fine boy. My brother, if you fine for face, your pocket not fine. You not be fine man. Now money be fine man. When you ugly musheshe, you go marry the most beautiful woman on earth when your pocket carry load. If your pocket carry load, see, you know what? I don't know if you blame you and no you. You never see life. You never see things for life. Woman never took out for your eye. Woman will never took out for your eye. You never see things. Use your number 6. Use your number 6. Use your number 6. Those children where they carry come out, if you want to destroy your own legacy, you want to destroy your own life, you can destroy your own life, your own future. I don't fucking care. Please take these children out of social media. Take these children away out of social media. Take them away. Enough is enough, man. Enough is enough. Because person will not they work, you know they cause craze. As that speaking even day now where you born, you never also one day take go buy Pampers or take go buy baby milk or take go buy clothes, can't give the pikin. Now money where government they bring, now you they use, they buy things. I see you one day you they celebrate, say, see my they don't give me house. My brother, you never rent house. To know a standard man for Europe, you come up for government hand. You go rent your apartments. You they pay your bills, pay your rentage, pay your internet, pay your electricity, pay your gas bill. That makes you a man. You are running expenses. But you now, you are not running expenses. The government is still running the expenses for you. And your wife, your girlfriend come out on live video to say you cannot work for white man, you cannot receive money at the end of the month. Are you guys insane? Are you guys really normal? But people are working this money to pay your wife at the end of the month. These are the same money you are using to form say you be Odunga, you be like this. No, my brother, as I did so at the end of the month, I pay out to 2,000 euro for my expenses. Not be joke. I can print it out and show you. Not be joke. Then they put out for online banking. At the end of the month, you will click out the first, you pay everything come out. That makes you a man. You can't think about the children, you can't think about the family where you live on. That makes you a man. That makes you a man. Now you don't be so now just come out for live video. When I begin the attack, when I say carry the children where they never even born. Come begin the use till they throw ball. My brother, you can use your own life to throw your ball. Leave those children alone. Leave those children alone. I remember when you with Iyase day. One at them for Aduro at that time. Where the monkey face, they find you, they go. You understand? I remember everything that time. So, but don't allow this woman to destroy your life, Nogi. Don't allow this woman to destroy your life. You were not like this. Don't allow this woman to destroy your life. Use your brain. Because if that woman was a good woman, he will even fight with you. He will fight and fight and fight. He will even use peace to scatter your body to tell you, say, yes, not carry my children. Come out for social media again. Enough is enough. Let my children be. Let my children be. If he doesn't value them, let the woman value them. Just for the 9 months he put them on his stomach. Yeah? Any small thing. Yeah, like this. DNA. This one. My brother, even though the thing is not be you born out, fue. Not be you born out, fue. Go do DNA, fue. Go do DNA, fue. Go do DNA, fue. Person, listen. Person they talk to you. You not reply her. First time, second time, third time. The person go rest. They say you they do business. No gay. Tell me the kind of business you are doing. If na cement you they say, I will patronize you. If na road you they say, I will patronize you. If na rice you they say, I will patronize you. Anything you they do, I go fit patronize you. As my adult brother. If na land you see they say, I will still patronize you. Your wife say you dey into business. If na cars you see they buy from Germany, they go Nigeria, I go still patronize you. Eh? Carry these children away from social media, no gay. I beg you. When I will go. No gay. Ya try ni gwale no biju. Iye we so wa Iwa we so wa. Ya try ni gwale no biju. Nonsense you do is too much. Ni abu ode. Iye lara yemeje. Ye moten. Iye ti le bode. Iye bode. Do wale di mo fi hàn, wale lolo, wale Monica, wale ife segbe. Wale your money wo. Obo ka wo so Garo hawe no wazo. Obo suppose no hawe gwari we tota. Ogelele we gbin na kakabo. Ogele kakabo lele we gbin na we. Oni e na no ulele we na. Igi meti idamo e. Umeti do agbi we via social media. Umeti do agi give we yari e boy money that diagbon. Ikue. O suppose do woni nyan po your ru. But yeah, the bed bagwe. We allow a live video. Oh, Goyo Toto. We allow a live video. Oh, Goyo Toto. We allow a live video. Oh, Goyo Toto. If you need you to call you way. Only the bed don't hear yo. Eh? When not say when not say Nila we need to take Nana Mawe. Oh, me water boy ya jung na we. Ulato boy a pay B. Ula to bo we pay rentage. Ula to bo we pay internet. Ula to bo wa hia wa hawela tamai we oda fon enu wa e papa sigiro e mikigiro. Ula ze like 100 euro a week. Ya deva mama with a pampas. Who receive a sense? You for receive sense. You for receive sense. A nonsense now do bungbe. Why if you malada? Why do I tell bonemo? The social media. Why do I tell bonemo? Why do I tell bonemo? Why? Oh, then wale you we mala. We know John. We know the webo. If you want me, we know. Emona e da diagbon. Emona do your car you loco wa. Emona he. But why be a violadia? Why be a violadia? Who are the viewers? Who are the viewers? I get 80,000 viewers. I get 50,000 viewers. Any 80,000 viewers. Oribo 101. Oribo 101. Ori dimoto munu. Ori yagbon mawa. Owanu wag binana. Owanu wag binana. I dey fight for this. I dey fight for this. Owanu wag binana. Iya go be fried rice. Be jollof. Be pade nyami wowa. Iya maze you why? Why ya kori egbuwa? Ti ebo nemo ya mu ebi eke mu gbe mo. Mu egbe brother jine. Wa lu enwe teme, wa lu enwe ege na ibe je na. E social media na suppose na ya akun saga. Because every do any concerning money or do a damn orion. O kabo do a damn. O do a damn because we are experience la wa video no wa get second no geye. No damn yo no lu enwa. No lu enwa. No se karuwati ano ya gwali mwina. Tell him to live clean. Ila ame gbo severio. No lui. Iwa amo e wo se. Oviala toi always ten over twagbe. Owo ve twagbe yeti la diage ve ka de one. Ege ni ma siet me soroti. Ma siet me soroti. Magbali go here. Magbali go lele ya here. Ah lele we seniora. Ezu na malape. Ave la di next tree. Ma ve ri ezu nokba. Ave ya gwali go odo. Wa ma hozo. No, it is good for a man to have his own money. Imawo will support, but it is good for a man to have his own pockets, so that the woman will not blag at you tomorrono. Wani bro wa depend in yahu. No. Let your wife, amagui, I no regbeko. Let your wife have his own money. You as a man, also your own money, have your own account. Have your own account, unable to reserve. Have your own. Tomorrow can be 5 o'clock. The woman will say no want again. Because I'm saying that the woman they carry you, they go. Also have you to allow what can allow. Why you when you oh, okay, we gay. Wait a minute, we fuck you. Oh, okay, we gay. We fuck you. Now me get this house. Now me they pay food. Now me na money. Who you bought bewe? I know what that way. Now me they feed you. Now me they feed your mama. Now me they feed your papa. Now me they feel like this. Wait that way. Not be me or you body picking. Hey, ma who got back your mo? Ego mo. And ego mo na. Oh, the parrot bow have baby Germany. No la vi ya beg bewa. Emigo mo na vi no. Emigo mo. E no si wasui. Ya wa gwe. E when is get with short video na. E when na riera. E agwale ade. Ya agwale ade. Wa rewa. Iwu wa ya belema so yo wa. Yeah, we not here 80 years, pension time. Well, not here. Last man, I go feel work for factory. You know, if you work for Loibo, my husband is a businessman. My husband is a businessman. A government social media go no one ever here. A multi I can't calculate on the social here. That you up there to marry Germany, Even be. or you or can be river me oh sabala babe where worry you go down here you where ya gba oge mo where they worry you with me in me ke live in me mi wan ori ebe ni me ya so nwina oh na nwina dakone anything by tia go the hustle and the go so for me I dey get small thing for pocket anything I want buy I go see buy am if I see wetin I will still fit buy a car house when my parents see afford I'll still buy a car house. Go they make woman they give you respect. You go they make woman they respect you. Not be say we are ibaro multi magbane. So find way I think we are real live video. The way I think I real live video. Those guys have never walked and buy one trouser. Okay, Agba. I have a time walking on it. See that shop where I go that day. I just see one trouser for them. I like camo. I don't know whether the money we did this month, whether I go reach me to go collect them. It is why I live a life for. If you want to know why go, why I go no go big government to the wookie. No, I hear send the gijuwa. Why funi we here do no woman. Why funi we here. Why funi we here. If you do, I why the banner. Mona join me for life tomorrow. I will come address this issue well. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Mona not the bully children for social media. Forget viewers. If viewers in the do argument, my sister, my brother, Mona not vessel. Una no will come feed me. If I lose my job, Una no will come give me job. If I not get where to stay, Una no will come give me house. So I need to hustle. I need to hustle so that when my mate will see buy ticket go Canada, I go fit buy. When my mate will see buy ticket go Nigeria, I go fit still buy. When my mate will fit still buy motor, I go fit still buy. When my mate will fit still buy house, I go fit still buy. I need to hustle, leave legacy for my children. Wait to build na home, charge money, this one money. When they fight each other because of one man way they one corner. You want give una 1 million, 2 million. What it be 2 million naira? See, listen. 2 million naira na change. May they receive what it pass down 1 month. 2 million na change. So when I receive sense, I go try me I come out tomorrow because my time don't reach for work now. I don't even use 5 minutes pass. So tomorrow, I will come out. Maybe around at this time tomorrow. I'll come follow now discuss all kinds of certain issues where person I need to beware of for this life. Because we need to use sense. You understand? Man need to get your money. Woman need to get your money. You understand? If we want to support each other, not normal. If we support each other. Why some men go there, their wife wants some money, give their mama, on they fight. Put why they fight? As mama send you corner, some mama send her come. You understand? So now 50-50. So if you do no woman, why gui akwe yado ibudekme niya ya receive sense. La wa tran wa de ba wa hon wa ya video na. Wa give sekenia ni bunje. Wa give sekenia ni bunje because on suppose the man lu enwa ya we wa gbona. Igo mo na we tebite very soon of a stop. If you do no woman wa ya we se wa lao. Keni beta we guata kedima we guata wa ya bome wa lao. Obi wahin. Odewata e mudiayi. Igbina ni igboka ne o yagbe o no ka e o ire ni aje eme money ni ado amulaja vuvien oni okpa emegun ayi wala o cause iya we o ano ego na yakokomo e mo mamoria o ano ego na yakokomo e mo magoria so if you do no we ka about wa bota wa bebe ne ge kai a megbe wa kwe egbe ogoweri na de gbe do tehere maya ni ya receive sense wa wesi ya la nwina wa agui